Now, this is an important hack that can easily save you time and add a few points to your SAT score when you're asked geometry questions related to circles. In this question, you're given an equation and asked to find the center of the circle. Now, usually, students will look at this question and try to do a complicated series of operations such as completing the squares, and that takes up a bit of time. But here's a super easy hack that can easily save you time. So let's look at this hack now. So in this hack, you're going to take a look at the number right in front of the x variable. Here you've got 16 and the y variable as well. And here you've got this number 10. Then you're going to write this x variable right over here, which is 16. You're going to divide it by 2 and just add a negative sign. Similarly, you're going to take the y coefficient here, 10, divided by 2 and add a negative sign. And let's simplify this real quick. 16 divided by 2 is negative 8, so you write that down here with a comma, and 10 divided by 2 is 5, and you've got a negative sign, so you put a negative 5 here. And that's literally your answer. 8, negative 5 is going to be the circle of this equation. As easy as that. Now you try this problem. Use the exact same idea, identify the x and the y variable. The hint is right over here. Divide it by 2, add a negative sign, and find the answer. I'll be waiting here for a few seconds. Hopefully you got the answer. A super easy and very quick hack. All you're going to do is identify the number in front of x here, which is 10. Write down 10. Identify the number in front of y, which is 30. Write that down. Divide it by 2 and add a negative sign. Now, negative 10 over 2 is going to be negative 5. And negative 30 over 2 is going to be negative 15, which easily gives us this to be our first choice.